Chapter 2, Banking. Banking. Then write a formula. I is equal to capital letter I. Capital I is equal to P into, P is the principal, into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. R by 100. I is equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Then maturity value, short form MV, maturity value MV is equal to P into N plus I. P into N plus I. P into N plus I. Manish opened deposit account with a Bank of Rajasthan. Bank of Rajasthan. So, recurring deposit account with a Bank of Rajasthan and deposit rupees 600. So, what is that 600? So, deposit 600. So, what is that? P is equal to 600. So, first one, exercise 2A, first question. So, P is equal to rupees 600. Don't write. First listen. Rupees 600 per month for 20 months. Per month for 20 months. So, N is equal to what? N is equal to 20 months. N is given as 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account. So, we want to find out which one. MB we want to find out. Find the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at a rate of 10% per annum. So, what is that? R is equal to 10%. Up to this clear, no? Yes or no? Question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next what we want to find out. Before finding maturity value, what is the formula for maturity value? Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. P into N
plus
for finding the maturity value. So, before finding the maturity value, first we want to find out what I. I is equal to, before finding that, I is equal to, tell me once again, P into N into
N plus 1 by 1 by
into
2
N
into
into N plus 1
12
by 2 into 12 into R by 100.
R by 100. So this we want to find out. So P, substitute P. P is equal to what? 600 into 20 plus 1. Don't write. First listen me. I will give you time. 2 into 12 into R is what? 10 divided by 100. Up to this clear? So we can calculate this. You will get the answer. Okay. So start writing. So 600 into 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. So cancel, find the answer. I is equal to how much? Find out I is equal to cancellation. Cancellation. Again, here possible 2. 3 2s are 6, 300. So again it is possible, no? So 15, 0. So I is equal to 150 into 7 you are getting? So no. 150 into 7. So it is 1050. I is equal to 1050. All got by 1050?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. maturity value is equal to maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. So which is equal to P into N. I think you can do in the working column P into N. P is what? And directly you can substitute here. P into N. P is what? 600 into N. How much N? N is equal to 20.
20.
Plus I we got it as 1050. Which is equal to directly you can do P into N is what? P into N. No need of calculation in the working column. Directly you can do 6 into 2, 12. Then 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 zeros plus 1050. So final answer will be what? Okay, and message 13050. 13050. So maturity value is equal to 13050 is the answer. Open a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited rupees 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account. So that means if the bank, maybe we want to find out if the bank pays interest at a rate of 12% per year. So P is equal to what here? First I will explain, after that we can write. So P is equal to 640. 640. Then, so P is equal to 640. Next step, per month for 1/2 years. 1/2 years means what? 1/2 means, we can change that. 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9/2 years. You can convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction, 9/2 years. So 9/2 years means what? 1 year, 12 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 9/2 years means, how can we write? 9/2 that be into 12. Very good. 9/2 into 12. So 9 into 6, 54 months. So 1/2 years can be written as 54 months. Okay. So next is R is equal to 12%. So R we can write it as 12%. First we want to find out I. I is equal to formula P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. All the things are there. We can substitute that and we will get the value of I. After finding I, directly we can write which one? Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Okay. So P is equal to, second question, P is equal to rupees 640. N is equal to 1/2 years, which is equal to, so do in the working order, that is better. 1/2 is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9/2, which is equal to, so before that, right, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore, 9/2 years is equal to 9/2 into 12. So 2 and cancel. So 54 months. So 9/2 years can be written as 54 months. So which is equal to, that is N is equal to 54 months. N is equal to 54 months. Then R is equal to 12%. 12%. R is equal to 12%. R is equal to 12%. R is equal to 12%. So write down I is equal to, formula I is equal to P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Don't bother about this by sign here. It is the up to this only, ma'am. Like that, don't think like that way. Okay. So what will be 640 into N, 54 months. So 54 into 54 plus 1. Next question onwards, you can directly write 18. So 54 into 55. So into R is what? 12, 12 by 100. So next step it will be 640 into 54 into 55 divided by 2 into 12 into 12 by 100. 12, 12 directly we can cancel. 12 and 12. So final answer is what? 12, 12 we can cancel. Then 1, 0 we can cancel. Then next step. What you are getting? $9,504 is the answer. That is I is equal to rupees 9,504. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9,504. The next maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. So it is equal to P is what? 640 into N 54 plus I we got it as 9,504. So find out 640 into 54. Do in the working column 640 into 54. So first we can do with the what? 64 and 54. Then add 1 0, that is better. Or anyway you can do. Okay. So do it and find the value. 0. This answer is 34560 plus 9504. 9504. So final answer will be 4406. 4406 rupees. 44064. So maturity value is equal to 44064.